We at the Med Clinic wanted to put out another video to discuss where we are with the COVID situation that we continue to go through. We did put out just a text update last night. We're currently in the orange risk meter on the dial. If we get to red, there is a chance that we would run into shutdowns again, schools, bars, restaurants, and businesses. We do not want to get to that again, and we continue to ask for your assistance in helping us control this to the best of our abilities. The big recommendations throughout this entire pandemic have been the same, and they still have not changed. We continue to ask that you wear masks whenever you're in public, socially distance whenever you're able to, 6 feet or more, avoid unnecessary trips into the public, avoid large gatherings, and good hand washing, good hygiene, things of that nature. Our schools have done a good job of staying open, the ones that have required mandatory masking. Some of the ones that haven't required mandatory masking have run into some issues with some shutdowns. So we do know that our masks have helped keep things open and some sense of normalcy. We are starting to feel the strain a little bit in the healthcare community as far as other facilities having full houses and no bed availabilities. I've seen through the ER we've had more difficult times getting patients transferred out to higher levels of care when needed, as far as other facilities just being full and not having rooms. And it's a mix of a strain from increased COVID caseloads as well as just the standard things that we see people get sick with that require hospitalizations. So the more COVID cases that come up, the more issues we're going to run into as far as transferring patients and getting them the care that they need. So we really have seen that change in the past couple of weeks. So we do just continue to ask for your assistance and compliance in helping us manage this the best that we can. We're trying to follow the CDC and health department guidelines the best that we can. So we do just continue to ask, wear your masks when you're in public, avoid unnecessary trips, avoid large groups, wash your hands, and just continue to take care of yourselves and our community the best that we can. If you ever have any questions on what you can do, if you're sick and have questions on what you need to do, please call our facility. We have a COVID team that will triage your call. The providers are all versed in what our recommendations are. So if anything comes up as we continue through this, don't hesitate to let us know.